Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the ghost touch problem on your TCL 605. So first, what you guys want to do is basically go over and remove the screen protector or a case. It can cause a lot of interference, so I'm talking about the case covering a bit of the screen. If your case does that, then it might be the issue. If not, then you're good. And if your screen protector is poorly applied, or for me it's just too small, but it can also cause the ghost touch problem. So imagine there's something touching your screen like this, and you cannot do normal stuff on your phone because of the ghost touch. Now, what you guys can also do is clean the screen to remove any debris or moisture, or simply your fingerprints. You need to swipe a few times with a microfiber cloth and everything should be cool. Now, what you guys want to do is update your software to fix any touch glitches. So unlock your phone. Now here, let's go over to settings. And we need to scroll all the way down until we see the system. So now, after we're in the system, click the system update, and here click check for updates. Now it will check if your system is up to date. As you guys can see, mine is. So if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It can fix a lot of stuff, including the touch glitches, speaker glitches, even the headphones glitches. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.